have this thought in my head. What if I never ever get the chance to do the things I said? Oh, tell me what if I never get to hold it, the moments in the way that I want to. And it's hard to show it when all I have could disappear in a night. It feels like I'm running on a treadmill, running round in circles. What the hell am I even doing this for? I get so hard to ignore. What can I do? Sometimes my thoughts